What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rockin' with the AP channel.
So this is not gonna be a long vlog, you guys. It's just gonna be short, sweet, and to the point, and we're gonna tell y'all what we did with our first YouTube check. Couldn't have got here without y'all. We appreciate all the likes, all the shares, all the comments, everything. We appreciate all 2,000 subscribers that
2K.
Yes, y'all, we finally reached the 2K mark. And so, y'all, we're gonna tell y'all what we did with our first YouTube check. Go ahead and tell them.
So, guys, with our first YouTube check, we bought a drone. It's called a DJI Mini 2. We watched a lot of reviews on it, and I think this would be the best drone that we could purchase at a decent price. And it has great quality. I haven't flown it much, but I am going to fly it today for y'all so y'all can see how the drone looks. I love everything about it. I'm going to have to do a lot of practice to get good at it. But it's a great drone for beginners. I think this drone is going to bring a lot of great content to our vlogs. It's going to enhance our videos.
Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for our next vlog, because we're going to give you a brief update on where we've been at, why we've been so ghost now that we have moved here to Tampa, Florida. And we just want to, you know, make sure y'all continue to rock with us. Make sure we keep y'all in the loop of everything. And so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for our next vlog.
All right, so I'm about to go ahead and fly the drone up, y'all. Peace out. We love you.